Hi guys, good morning. How are you doing? I hope you're doing good. But anyways, for today's video, I'm really excited and happy about it because we're going somewhere that is magical and the happiest place on earth. Yeah, you heard me right. We're going to Disneyland Paris. Tara, let's coffee! Good morning!
No, I am good.
Yeah?
I am eating.
Yeah, you're eating spaghetti?
No.
Yeah, so we're eating breakfast before going out.
No, I'm going
Yeah.
out.
So we're gonna be gone for 3 days, so I need to water the plant. Make sure that this is watered properly. So it won't be too dry when we come back. So we are on our way to the train station. We're not gonna bring the car, take the car. Instead, we're gonna take a train from our home to Brussels. From Brussels to Paris.
Trein met bestemming Kiev. De volgende halte is Diest.
Cassie is eating snack. This is my third time taking the train, but first time taking the train going to Brussels with my family. And I am excited to see how Brussels station looks like, because normally whenever we go to Brussels, we take car. So come and join me for us to explore the station. Hello! And somebody's making kulit. Nicolette, yeah, she's just wandering inside the train. Yeah, Brussels road. So from here, we're gonna take train to Paris. Did you know that Brussels has 3 main train stations? Brussels South, Brussels Central, and Brussels North. And for this video, you will see Brussels South. It is the biggest international hub. It is where you catch high-speed trains like Eurostar to London, Paris, and Germany, and even the Netherlands and Luxembourg. It is large and busy complex with 22 platforms. And one good thing about it, it has lifts or elevators designated for each platforms. There are shops here. We have food stalls here, vending machines. This is made Eastern here at Brussels Station. Because normally we use car from home to Brussels. Souvenir shop. I think the famous one here in Brussels. Okay, so it's time check. It's already 11:15 in the morning. We stopped here at Sbarro to get some food. It's at 1 o'clock, past 1 o'clock, something like that is our train will arrive. So yeah, they got walkway, but I checked the walk. There's only 2 options that you can order or you can get. And the last one is the muffin. I just chose this one. And there is cake and oat snack there, oat tacos. Yeah, I don't want burgers and fries because we might get that from at Disneyland as well. So yeah, I'll update you again. We got tennis, waffles, chocolates, macaroons. We have Starbucks and there's Carrefour. This souvenir shops, like perfumes and Panos is like a bread stock in the Philippines.
Voie 11, changement de voie. Le train IC à destination de Brussels Airport Zaventem. Au lieu de voie 11.
So I think this is the train that goes to Paris. And there is Eurostar train on this side. We're still early. Still have an hour to wait. first-timer, it's such a good experience to take the train for international travel. Although, I may say it wasn't the most comfortable one. The space for luggage is not enough, though you can use the top to put your bags and small luggage. It is good that Brussels South is the first station, and we were the first one to get into the train and put our luggage into the big storage.